Hello everyone, welcome back to Drama Log. Today is an exciting day. We plan to review the second and the third episode of Karze Jaan. We are loving this show. I'm here with Sana from my team in Drama Log, and we have Faraz from Drama Pakistani. We all of us are excited to share our views on Karze Jaan that's on air right now. How are you doing, guys? How was the break?
Hey, assalamu alaikum, alhamdulillah. You tell us. You've been going places. How was yours?
Oh yeah. I mean, this was Thanksgiving weekend last week, so I took time off from my work. My kids were, their schools were closed. So, me, my husband, we thought this would be a great time to just, take off and just, relax a little bit. So my husband kind of pushed the envelope this time and even enforced digital detox when we were on break
Yeah.
in Mexico, which I would recommend. It was a good, exercise.
Because of you,
Uh-huh.
I detoxed too. Like
Oh,
I
nice.
hardly, I did not even go on Instagram or like anything. I was just away from my cell phone.
Yeah, I mean, I was able to bargain like an hour a day to like catch up
I
on
didn't
my.
feel like it. I was like, I don't know. Like, I was like, I don't want to watch any dramas. I don't want to review anything. I don't want to do anything.
Yeah, I mean, me too. I mean, which was a good exercise. I mean, I really connected with my kids. I felt like I connected with them once again. I hear them on and off, but then we had real discussions and did some deep dive into into issues
Like, where did you
together. So it was
go?
fun.
What hotel did you guys stay at?
We stayed in this hotel resort called Moon Palace
Mm-hmm. We're in Cancun.
in Cancun, yeah, and
Okay.
it was right off the sea, right? The sea was really calm, exceptionally
It's
calm.
beautiful. Like,
Yeah.
like there, like I think it's the Caribbean Sea, right? So
Hmm.
it's so beautiful. It's much better than the west coast of Mexico. Because I've been to Puerto Vallarta.
Hmm.
And no, Cancun is much better. Their sea the color is gorgeous.
God,
Like that
yeah,
blue color,
very beautiful, very
Did you
beautiful.
guys do any activities? Any excursions?
We did a few, like we went to this island called Isla Mujeres.
Yeah, it's Isla Mujeres. Yes, I know. I've
Yeah,
been there.
and then there we did some hikes and some trails, and then we took this golf cart and we kind of like went around
Yeah.
the entire
Oh, that's
island.
nice. Did you
Yeah,
guys
it
go
was
to the
very nice.
mall? The Isla, what is that mall called? The Isla, I forgot.
No,
Their main mall.
we went to the downtown area where they were selling like
Mm-hmm.
Mexican
Yeah.
artifacts and all. You have to haggle a lot there apparently. So my husband was like,
Yeah.
come back.
We did, I've done parasailing there. I've done jet skiing there. And
Nice.
I've done, swimming. I've swam with the dolphins there too.
Oh, you did? You do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, there was a
All
thing
three.
going on. Like, you can swim with the sharks. And my daughter was very excited, but my son was like, "Oh no, no, no!"
I've done with dolphins. I'll send you pictures.
Yes, for sure. I wanted to try jet ski, but then, we were
I don't
so
know what
late.
Faraz is doing. He's just like there, like just listening to us.
Yeah, he was clearing his dump. I saw during
नहीं
during
नहीं
my break. He
नहीं
was
आई एम
revisiting
हेयर
Europe.
आई एम हेयर एक तो जो सनी घूमने फिरने गई हैं तो मुझे भी शौक चढ़ा मैंने कहा चलो मैं तस्वीरों में घूम लेता हूँ जैसे हमारे कुछ दोस्त ऐसे हैं जब उनसे आप बात करें ना गुफ्तगू करें ना आई हैव अ फ्रेंड लाइक दैट इफ आई टॉक टू हिम कि यार तुम्हें पता है कैलिफोर्निया में ये होता है और मे बी इफ सनी इज लिविंग इन कैलिफोर्निया एंड शी टेल हिम कि तुम्हें पता है कैलिफोर्निया में ये होता है ही बी लाइक हाँ मुझे सब पता है वहां पे ये स्ट्रीट है वहां पे ये है वहां पे इस तरह से होता है एंड यूल बी लाइक कि तुम कैलिफोर्निया गए हो कहते नहीं मैं गूगल मैप पे जाता रहता हूँ कैलिफोर्निया और एक मैं मजे की बात बताऊं एक जमाने में मुझे बड़ा शौक था मैं क्या करता था कि गूगल
Earth,
आया करता था गूगल प्लेसेस था पता नहीं क्या था
Google Earth, yeah,
वर्चुअल
you can just
गूगल
look at
अर्थ
it.
यस गूगल अर्थ हाँ
Earth,
गूगल अर्थ
yeah.
हाँ तो मैं गूगल अर्थ पे बैठ के ना मैं जाता रहता था जगहों पे जाते रहता था और मैं उस वक्त सोचता था कि जब मुझे मौका मिलेगा तो मैं इस जगह पे जाऊंगा तो फिर देखूंगा कैसे होता है बट कमिंग बैक टू सनी के सनी ने कहा था ना हैगलिंग हो रही है मुझे उस वक्त वो याद आया कि पाकिस्तान में ना ना पठान आया करते थे कारपेट बेचने के लिए, ईरानी कारपेट ना,
हाँ,
एंड दे वुड स्टार्ट ऑफ विद के सुबह भाई कितने का दे रहा है तुम, तो कहता था मैं तुम्हारे को देगा 10,000 रुपए का, तो आप इतनी हैगलिंग करते हो, नहीं नहीं हम नहीं देगा, हम सिर्फ 100 रुपए देगा तुम्हारे को, एंड दे विल बी लाइक अच्छा ठीक है हमारे को 200 रुपए दो और जाने दो, लाइक 10,000 से 1 200 रुपीज
Wow.
एनीवे। हाँ तो हमारी बातें चलती रहेंगी। वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट कर्जे जान एपिसोड 2
yes.
एंड एपिसोड 3, एंड दैट ड्रामा हैज completely taken off, especially the last episode, and for that reason हम गुफ्तगू शुरू करते हैं उन कर्जे जान, and I think whoever wants to go first and talk about your scene, the scenes that you like, and क्या impression रहा आप लोगों का।
Yeah, Sana, do you want to start?
Why don't you start?
Sure, yeah. So Karse Jan, I am loving the screenplay. Like, I don't see that they waste any time in progressing the story. The characters are being developed so beautifully. I'm especially liking the bond between the mom and the daughter, Nashwa and her mom. I love the scene where the mom obviously got harassed by her brother-in-law, uh, and she was visibly upset. And she walks into the room, clutching all the stuff that the shirts that she has to iron for the brother-in-law, the money that she was given as a sort of a tip, or I don't know. This was even it was very insulting to to be given money like that. And she's visibly disturbed. And then Nashwa comes and she sees her mother, and she's like, "Ab say all his work, you should give it to me," you know, which means that Nashwa is aware of what her mom is going through. But because of the family situation, because of the circumstances that they are and the duresses they are under, she can't vocalize, but she knows what's going on, and she wants to step in and help out. So I think that was a beautiful scene. Between the mom and the daughter, subtle but beautifully portrayed. Yumna is winning hearts. That it's a mark of an excellent actor, that even without dialogues, even without the focus being on her, she's still involved in the scene. There was this, her dining table scene where, everybody's sitting, and the discussion is about Amar and Amar's wedding. And so the Amar's dad and the grandmother, they're discussing how they should get him married to the cousin, which is who apparently lives in Canada. And Amar kind of passes by, and the entire conversation between the father and the grandmother and concerning Amar. And you could, whenever the camera is like glancing over the different participants on the dinner table, the only person whose expressions are changing, and you can see this, she's involved in that conversation, although it doesn't concern her, but she's still involved. Her expressions are changing with the comments that are being made. It was Umna. It was an Ashwa and Umna. And it was so beautiful. There was just the subtle glimpse and like in change in expression when the grandma says that, "Oh, mera beta to kitna bhola bhala hai." And when Amar passes by, and you could see the change in Umna's expression. Hai? Ye aaj ladka bhola bhala. And I was like, what an actress she is, I was
Yeah,
floored.
that scene was really good.
Beautiful. And so that was the first episode. And then this guy gets the lawyer, right? Burhan. He gets shot at the court. And what I didn't understand is that he gets shot at, and we see who shoots him. But then why does the inspector come and say, "Ke like aapko kisi pe shak hai?" I mean, like, we know who
Yeah.
shot. Yeah, you showed us who shot him, and you should just go investigating there.
And
I
then he
didn't
tells him
understand.
like, okay, I'll tell you.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Yeah, and then I didn't understand there was sort of an animosity between the inspector and Burhan. I didn't understand why. And then this like junior, she comes in with the bouquet, and why was the inspector making snarky comments about the junior? I didn't understand. So that part I didn't understand quite well. But then we see Asim, and I predicted that Asim would be Burhan's dad, and that was the case, right? And
Yeah.
बिल्कुल
we
ये सनी की प्रिडिक्शन थी जो कि डॉट बैठी है जाके।
I know. And then we now know that Asim and Nashwa's mom had a past.
Bisma, right?
Bisma, right? Yeah, they had a past, and that's why in the first episode, towards the end of it, when Asim's name was mentioned,
Yeah.
she was
Mhm.
standing outside the door, overhearing the conversation, and you could see some expressions on her face that had us wonder what was the link there. And so now we know. So that was second episode. Third episode definitely belonged to Amar, right? So oh my god, I had goosebumps. What is going to happen to that girl? And I was like, oh my god, I didn't think that she would die. I thought she will get assaulted, but then oh my god, the when I
Mhm.
saw the
नहीं
dead
वो
body.
तो उस मतलब इस एपिसोड में वो जैसे सनी कह रही है ना कि चीजें कर्जे जान में ओवरऑल देखा जाए तो चीजें रुक नहीं रही हैं, एकदम से तेज होती हैं। और यार वो लड़का अच्छा है, दैट गाय नमीर खान, नमीर नाम है ना इसका
Mhm.
असली।
Yes,
ही इज गुड, ही इज रियली गुड। मतलब
yes.
मुझे तो मजा
He's
आया देख
really
के
good.
कि
Yeah.
जिस तरह से वो कर रहा है ना। और एक पुरानी मूवी थी इंडियन, उसका भी मुझे थोड़ा रेफरेंस समझ में आया, बट विल टॉक अबाउट इट लेटर। गो अहेड सनी, कंटिन्यू।
हाँ, तो थर्ड एपिसोड में डेफिनेटली मुझे वो बहुत अच्छी लगी, एंड द फैक्ट दैट the aunt, she stepped up for Nashwa and she convinced the father, for reasons of her own, that you should not be restricting her from doing what she wants to do, because at the end of the day, people will just point the fingers at us that we didn't allow our kid to sort of a fatherless child to follow her dreams. So I really like that. Like she doesn't have any bad element in her yet, right? And then eventually the dad gets, I mean, the person gets convinced and he allows Nashwa to pursue practice. So that was good. And then the last scene definitely where, oh my God. Over to you guys.
So I would just reiterate that I love the narrative. I love the characters, and I love how the characters are so intertwined with each other. It's a web, and it's they're the detanglement of the web is at a good pace. So basically, that's how I see it. So it's a web of all these characters, and we just have to detangle it. And that's how each episode is showing one aspect of it. And I love Namir Khan. He is so good. Even though he's doing all these things, I just loved him. He's amazing. He's awesome. The
Mm.
like when he comes from in the garage, he gets off the car and then he tells Yumna like Kali Bildi ki tarah aa jati ho. Like
Right. Yeah.
they have a really good relationship, or I guess chemistry.
Yeah.
So
And the subtle touch in that scene where he says that he came from prayer, right? And walks away.
and then
And
she's like, "Tum
Yumna
namaz
touches the
kab se
bonnet
padte
and
ho?"
she goes like, oops, it's hot. So which
So yeah, what
means
does that mean? Like
that
it's
means that he did not go to the local mosque. He took the car away and the car was,
he went to the big mosque
he
in the
probably,
city.
he had,
That's
yeah.
I think that's her lawyer, जो उसके अंदर का वकील है, वो इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहा है कि ये
Mm.
इतनी, मतलब ये नमाज पढ़ने गया था तो
तो
गाड़ी को इतना
तो
गर्म
बड़ी
नहीं होना
मस्जिद
चाहिए।
में गया होगा ना, बड़ी वाली
नहीं,
मस्जिद।
मस्जिद यार वो इजराइल, मतलब मजाक से हटके पाकिस्तान में तो पता आपको मस्जिद जो होती है वो करीब करीब ही होती है, बहुत
हाँ
करीब होती है,
होती
वो
है, but
फेमस
there is
फेस्टिवल भी
also
होती
some
है।
one in the city
सारी
too,
बड़ी हैं
right?
यार, वो सारी बड़ी होती
जामे मस्जिद।
है। You don't go to Jama Masjid to offer fajr या normal नमाज, वो
Or
करीब
what
ही
about
होती
like the कश्ती वाली मस्जिद?
है। हाँ,
Right.
वो तो बहुत दूर है।
For a guy who doesn't believe in it, वो इतना मेहनत करके गाड़ी.
He went there.
हाँ, तो वो उसने,
So
मतलब
he
उसके
gave
अंदर की
her the
लॉयर थी।
girl got the date rape drug, right?
Yeah, the special orange juice, right? So,
Yeah. Yeah, that
and
was sad.
then they killed her. Like, they
I don't think they killed her. Because they were scared. So I think she just died because of it.
because
Because of the
the
salt.
dead, there was wounds on the dead body with like
I
head
guess she
wounds.
struggled and then she died.
Probably. I mean, she definitely struggled because in the teaser they talk about scratches on him, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Mhm. Oh my God, this is so scary. This is so scary.
So maybe Namir did not kill her.
वो तो आगे आगे जाके,
I feel bad
मतलब
for
यही
him. Like
establish होगा ना।
Here comes the second tayyab. Support for the second tayyab.
बेचारा इतना क्यूट सा है.
His body language
क्यूट
is
सा तो
like
है.
body language is has that evilness in it. Like, it's not like the way he's checking out the pictures of that would-be bride, and he's like, "Huh, Papa, you did a good job."
Oh yeah.
That was like so menacing. I'm like, oh
I'm
god,
like, yeah, like your dad is just like you.
yeah.
Or you're just like your dad for sure. Like, oh, you know what? When he says like, when they were sitting and they were talking about going to the gym and everything, that was a really good scene. He's like, मोटी हो जाओगे. And then the Taya says कि देखो बिस्मा को देखो कितना अपने आप को maintain किया है.
Seriously. But what annoys me now, whenever the Taya does something like that, the grandma only like eyes Bisma. Why aren't you eyeing your own son, man? Like,
She knows what's going on.
yeah. So why
अच्छा,
are
मेरा
you?
इसी सीन से रिलेटेड ना एक सवाल है आप दोनों से है, और आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर सीन. इट वाज अ मोमेंट कह लो, या एक छोटा सा सीन था जो जब मैंने उसको स्क्रीन पे देखा. इट वाज अ मोमेंट बिटवीन बिस्मा एंड नशवा. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज के इस एपिसोड नंबर 3 के स्टार्टिंग में ही वी सी दैट जो ताया है, ही हैज ही शोज अजीब तो गरीब तरह के, वो उसको क्या कहेंगे, हैरेसमेंट ही कह सकते हैं उसको.
Of course,
So
yeah.
he's kind of harassing Bisma.
Right.
तो there is this particular scene जिसमें यार एको आ रहा है. आप म्यूट, कोई म्यूट करे जरा. ओके, alright. So there is this particular scene which you guys would notice कि जब बिस्मा थोड़ा डरी हुई होती है या सहमी हुई होती है, and she has the money in her hand and she goes and see Nashwa, and Nashwa looks at her mother, जुमना जहदी, and he's like, जब आपको कितनी बार कहा है कि जब ताया जान को कोई काम हुआ करे आप मुझसे बोल दिया करें. It's like she knows what Taya Jan has been up to for all these years. And for that moment, mother and daughter, they both confine in each other. I think मुझे तो वो बड़ा
Yeah,
ही
but yes,
जबरदस्त और
yeah.
पावरफुल सीन लगा.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sunny mentioned it.
Yeah. That's what I was referring to in the beginning. Like, Bojo interaction tha ke
Mm-hmm.
the daughter
Nashwa
knows.
knows.
Yeah, Nashwa knows, but can't do much because of their dire situation.
तो मतलब मैं तो शायद जाहिर है मैं तो कभी भी नहीं समझ पाऊंगा इस तरह की चीजों को, बट अब मतलब इसको एक जनरल डिस्कशन कह लें या एक जनरल बातचीत कह लें कि when women go through such harassment, तो एक खास किस्म का फियर आता है आप लोगों में, या आपको पता चल जाता है, या क्या क्या किस तरह से महसूस होता है?
If somebody else is being harassed?
Someone else is being harassed or you being harassed, या आपने देखा किसी को कि वो आई है and you could just sense it. So what
Yes.
goes in each other, like women's mind, ये क्या फीलिंग उस वक्त महसूसात या एहसासात होते हैं?
You get the vibe. First of all, like, if there's a person who is sort of like that Taya, at least for me, I get the vibe. Okay, there's something wrong. There's something going on there.
So is
And
that
even,
scary? डर लगता है?
So my situation is a little different. मुझे तो I'm not going to be scared. But then, people who are living in that situation, it is difficult for them. And I know it can be very hard to get out of that situation when you are being harassed, because people say, oh, like you're being a molester, so why didn't you say anything earlier or before, like 10 years ago? But it's not easy to say anything, especially when you're in a family situation and the other person is in the family. It is hard to take that name and to even say anything, to even like think about it, actually, like think out loud, actually. You just like kind of just understand, and that's it. Like it's just in your head. You
Right.
can't even say it.
That's so
It's
crazy,
hard.
right?
Mhm.
That's so crazy. That's
It's
so
that yeah, it is that thing, like it's just really like the power dynamics, basically.
Yeah,
That
in
takes a
this
hold.
case, and you can see that the dadi is aware of it also,
Mm-hmm,
but
mm-hmm.
she doesn't blame the son. She blames the daughter-in-law
I don't think she blames them.
because she doesn't
I think
intervene
she's
at
just like,
all.
okay, you know what? She's widow, so whatever. Like,
No, she despises the Bisma for sure, and
Yeah.
she's like
So she doesn't really care.
She doesn't really care, but whenever you see the Dadi looking at Visma in a in a very condescending way whenever she's being harassed, or
So
at least.
why
यस
does
और उसमें
Dadi
एक
hate
चीज भी
her?
है, हाँ यही मेरा सवाल था लगे, क्योंकि आप ये मैं नोट कर रहा हूँ, एक तो दादी बड़ी हकारत से भी देखती हैं बिस्मा को, शायद उनको नौकर मिली हुई है मुफ्त की, या कहीं वो ऐसे तो नहीं सोचती कि मेरा बेटा खा गई या मेरा बेटा मर गया, और
No, but then
ये
they said that her
He was
Behzad,
sick.
right? Behzad was sick, so that's why he died very early. So they knew he was
और आप
sick and he
देखें
was
कि
gonna
वो
die.
जब नशवा जो है एक वो प्रॉपर आर्गुमेंट करती है, तरीके से बात करती है, तो वो बिस्मा को कहती हैं जो ही पुराना हमारे मुल्कों में जो होता है कि अपनी बेटी को तरबियत दो अच्छी, और वो मतलब वो ठीक था ओवरऑल। दैट वाज अ वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट मोमेंट इन द ड्रामा एज वेल। यही चीज मेरे ख्याल से कर्जे जहाँ की मुझे तो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी लगती है कि ये एक बहुत अच्छी सिंपल सीधी सी स्टोरी है जिसको बड़े अच्छे तरीके से बयान किया जा रहा है, पेसिंग बहुत अच्छी तरीके से इसकी दिखाई जा रही है, और जो एक्सप्रेशंस है, क्योंकि एक्टिंग पे कहीं पे भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं हो रहा है। डायलॉग्स में जैसे मिसाल के तौर पे कि जब आप यतीम होते हैं तो हर कोई आपका बाप बनने की कोशिश
Oh yeah,
करता
that
है।
was a really good one. That was a good dialogue. Yeah.
Absolutely.
और फिर एक ऐसा डायलॉग जिसने मुझे सोचने में मजबूर कर दिया कि वो और यमुना जैदी इज सच अ गुड एक्टर यार। मुझे
She's so natural.
She's
हाँ, परिजाद में
phenomenal.
मैंने
Yeah.
देखा था, मुझे पसंद नहीं, मतलब मजा नहीं आया था परिजाद में इनकी एक्टिंग देख के, लेकिन इसमें देयर इज दिस सीन के जब वो सो के उठती हैं and her mom is praying and she is like the way she talks through her voice कि क्यों ये जो हम हर वक्त अब्बा के साले सवाब के लिए इतना पढ़ते रहते हैं, तो क्या अब्बा ने कोई भी अच्छा काम नहीं किया? The dialogue itself is funny but at the same time the way she says it, क्योंकि वो सो के उठी है तो आवाज में थोड़ा उतार चढ़ बड़ी जबरदस्त है ना।
Yeah.
वो जो
Yeah,
एक्टिंग
voice
वो करती है,
modulation.
है ना,
Yeah.
मतलब ये क्लासेस है यंग लोगों के लिए जो कि ड्रामे में आना चाहते हैं। बहुत सारे हम लोग, जैसे आप, मैं, सनी, हम तीनों जो है बहुत सारे ड्रामे देखते हैं। अगर आप लोग गैर इक़्तिदार देखते हो, या हम दुनियापुर पे भी डिस्कशन करते हैं, नादान खत्म, इसमें हम डिस्कस करते थे, हमने ऐश के जुनून में डिस्कस किया कि शुजा असद कुछ करने की जरूरत है, अपना क्राफ्ट बेहतर करने की जरूरत है। तो उनके हम असरों में ही आप इनको देख लो, यमुना जैदी को, कि क्या किस तरीके से वो एक्टिंग कर रही हैं, एक्सप्रेशन ला रही हैं, चश्मा उतार के रख रही हैं नीचे, चश्मा पहन रही हैं। मुझे तो बड़ा बड़ा जबरदस्त ये ओवरऑल लगा था। और जाहिर है कि आखिरी का जो सीन था वो भी, जैसे कहते हैं ना, आपको रोंगटे खड़े कर देता है एंड में कि वो शिट, सॉरी, मतलब कि ये कहाँ ले गए स्टोरी को। वो आप लोगों ने वो देखा है दिल्ली क्राइम्स?
नहीं, मैंने नहीं देखे, पर सुना है उसके बारे में।
इट्स अ ब्रिलियंट शो। उसमें भी यही था। और जो मतलब एक तो इसको हम किस अल्फाज में कहें, मैं किस तरह से कहूँ, मतलब जाहिर है उस लड़की का शायद जो हुआ है वो, हाँ गैंग रेप कह सकते, मतलब आई वाज ट्राइंग टू फाइंड बेटर वर्ड्स बट हाँ दैट्स द ओनली वर्ड वी हैव टू से। तो जैसे ये तो इंडिया में असल में हुआ था, एक निर्भया करके लड़की थी, नाम, इफ आई एम नॉट सेइंग, आई एम सेइंग द रॉन्ग नेम,
निर्भया, या
निर्भया केस था जिसमें पूरा दिल्ली जो है वो उठ खड़ा हुआ था,
हिला दिया था, पूरा इंडिया को हिला दिया था।
इंडिया को हिला दिया था। उसके ऊपर ही वो डेली क्राइम्स बनाया नेटफ्लिक्स पे। सो ये आप लोग देखें कि वो 3-4 लड़के थे, एंड ओफ, मतलब ये एक अलग ही डायमेंशन में ले गए शो को, एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू गो क्रेजी फ्रॉम हियर।
You know what gave me goosebump was that I couldn't figure out कि वो लड़की बच कैसे सकती थी in a situation like that, right?
तड़प रही है ना, वो तड़प रही है, वो मतलब like, मरी नहीं है लेकिन तड़प रही है।
She's not dead. I thought she was dead, right? No,
मेरे ख्याल से शायद मरी नहीं है।
I thought she was dead.
I thought she was
अगर
dead.
मर गई है तो फिर तो स्टोरी खत्म हो जाए, मतलब
No, she was dead because I think they will investigate.
Yeah, I think they will investigate, and I feel like the tussle will be between, whether you defend your brother or you don't defend your cousin.
And I think the girl coming from Canada, I think she's gonna come and he might try to harass her.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean,
That's how
yeah.
I feel.
एंड उसामा ज़ाहिर है दे विल बी अ फेस ऑफ बिटवीन जुमना एंड उसामा तो यार मैं अपनी बेगम से बात करता ड्रामा आ रहा था मेरी बेगम ने नहीं देखा ना कर्जे जान तो मैं
Mm-hmm.
बता रहा था कि ये स्टोरी है इसकी और इसमें ये लड़का है तो कहती ये तो हर रोज आ रहा है यार हर ड्रामे में ये आ रहा है कोई गैर देख लो कोई वो देख लो सुन मेरे दिल देख लो तो
Only
कहीं
3 यार, not
हाँ
like
नहीं और उसके अलावा टेलीफिल्म में आ जाता है किसी
वो तो
मतलब
पहले
हफ्ते
था,
के
अभी थोड़ी.
7 से 8 दिनों में जो है वो 7 ही दिन होते हैं 8 का होते हैं 7 दिनों में से 3 से 4 दफा तो ये
I mean,
मतलब
5
3
days.
शो तो फिक्स
5
है
days he comes because 2 days in Ghair, 2 days in Sun Mere Dil, and 1 day in Karze Jaan. So he comes from Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday,
बताओ
and on 3
5 दिन
big
तो उसने
channels.
अपना
And 3 big
5 दिन
channels, Hum,
बिग
ARY, and
चैनल्स
Jio.
बताओ और रह क्या गया फिर
Yeah.
एक्टिंग अच्छी कर रहे
And
थे
8 p.m. slot.
निकल पड़ी भाई निकल पड़ी
ऐसे तो अली अंसारी भी बेचारा पीछे रह गया.
सभी पीछे रह गए ये लड़का खामोशी से देखो कहाँ पहुंच गया फवाद
Hmm.
खान साहब जो है वो मुंह बना के बैठे रहते हैं मैं बड़े ड्रामे में आऊंगा फहद मुस्तफा 10-10 साल 15-15 साल के बाद ड्रामा करते हैं तो ये देखो ये
Hmm.
लड़का ले गया ये
So
I
Usama and
think
Wahaj are contemporaries, apparently.
no, they're not.
That's what I was told. Because Ishq
Hmm.
Jalebi mein they came together. Ishq Jalebi
Okay.
was apparently Wahaj's like fourth or fifth, I don't know. But they came together then, and uske pehle
You
bhi
know,
Usama kaam kiye, so they're kind of sort of
I saw Osama
contemporaries.
the first time in 2020, maybe in Mohlak. That was the first time I saw him.
I haven't seen much of Osama. I saw Ish Jalebi. I thought he was okay there. And then I saw him in one of
Fatima Fang.
Fatima Vang. I think it was good there. And
Yeah.
then I think one of the telefilms or shorts that you shared. He was, but definitely his acting graph has improved a lot, and he's very charming. His personality
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
is very
Yeah.
charming.
He was in
ये
Ek Sitam Aur
किसकी
too. I liked him in that too.
But if
किस
it's
किस की तारीफ ना करें हम इस ड्रामे में जो
it's
एक्टिंग कर
drama,
रहे हैं सबके सब
The drama to everyone's like, even the Nashwa's mom. Do
तजीन
you
हुसैन
think
पुरानी एक्टर्स हैं
do
पुरानी
you think
एक्टर है
do
वो
you think she's gonna get together with the Burhan's dad
इवेंचुअली
in this
होगा
drama?
मुझे तो लग रहा है
I mean,
होगा या कुछ ना कुछ तो
he's a
होगा
widower, she's a widow, so.
And
आसिम नाम है ना उनका
who's Bijan then?
So there's
उसकी
one
अम्मा है
Bijan who's the Osama's grandma. I
So
think
who's she? She's not Asim's
I'm
mom,
guessing the
obviously.
nani because the dadi to ye hogi, right?
अच्छा मुझे इनके कनेक्शन समझ आया था एक बीच में तजीन हुसैन जो है ना वो बिस्मा
She went to
इज
the other
रिकॉलिंग
house.
नहीं बिस्मा इज रिकॉलिंग द कन्वर्सेशन
Mm-hmm,
तो जो
mm-hmm.
मुझे समझ में आया इनका रिश्ता ये कि आसिम जो है जो बुरहान के अब्बा हैं वो बिस्मा के मामू के बेटे हैं बिस्मा के जो मामू हैं उनके जो बेटे हैं वो फैसल रहमान है और आप देखें किस तरह से वो छोटी सी कन्वर्सेशन के अंदर उन्होंने मतलब आप देखें ना यार इन्होंने दे आर नॉट लिविंग
Yeah.
एनी
No,
कॉर्नर्स बिहाइंड
they even showed how I guess Bisma's mom knew that they liked each other, but she said nope. Like we Bezat ko manga hai unhone, not
हाँ बीजान नहीं
Asim.
वो बीजान जो है वो उसको समझाती हैं आसिम को कि यार अब बहजाद
No,
के लिए इसको
Bijan.
मांग रही है तो अब इसका
हाँ,
नाम मत लो
Bijan या फिर उसकी mom.
नहीं वो आवाज तो बीजान की थी जो बीजान कौन है वो जो बात कर रही होती हैं उसामा से फोन पे
Namaz.
वीडियो
Canada
कॉल
में,
Yeah.
Canada में.
So
हाँ तो आई
typically
एम गेसिंग
Bijan is what? Dadi or nani?
मुझे लग रहा है कि
No.
आसिम की अब वो जो फैसल रहमान की वालदा है वो
No, she's not. She's
अच्छा
uski Bezad. He's Bezad's brother.
That's what I
Asim is
thought,
Bezad's
right?
brother.
Yeah, there were three
हम्म
brothers. One died,
ओके
and one is the Taya, and the third one is this Asim who's left house,
Yeah, and Asim
right?
wanted to marry Bisma, but then it didn't work out.
So my
हाँ तो
guess
वो
is
वही हुई ना
like Bijan
वो
could be
उसकी
Nani or something. I don't know.
बीजान इज आसिम हाँ तो दो रिश्ते हो गए ना बीजान इज उर्दू में कहते हैं
तो
समधी
ये
साहब
कौन है? ये कौन है जो है?
ये
इनका
अपनी
नाम क्या है? बीजा नहीं जो है ये जो है दादी
वो बीवी
नशवत
जी
दादी.
कहते हैं क्या कहते हैं
Dado,
उनको क्या?
that's what they call him. Yeah.
What do they call her? Bijan? No.
Dado.
Oh, दादो. अच्छा.
बीबी जी बीजान इस तरह से कहते हैं बट मतलब वो हमें समझ आ जाएगा जो मेरी समझ में आया है कि वो ही इज द मामूजात कजन
अच्छा.
ऑफ बिस्मा जो क्योंकि वो कहते हैं तुम्हारे मामू ने बात कर ली है ममा ने तो ये समझ आया बट दे आर ऑल रिलेटेड और एक और चीज Osama has bought a house.
Mm-hmm.
ये देखा आपने नोट कर लिया connection. Osama has bought
Yep.
an old house from क्या नाम
Um,
है ताया.
that's was Taya.
That was Tayas. So ये भी
Mm-hmm.
connection अभी दिखेगा. अच्छा है मतलब this is a good way for the viewers to use their brain and find the connections कि ये इनका ये है ये ऐसे so this is a good trivia for us as well कि हम खुद ही इसके बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं और मजा आता है फिर हमें. और जब
Yeah.
ये खुलेंगी जैसे कहते हैं अनटैंगल होंगी सारी चीजें तो हमें उस वक्त ज्यादा मजा आएगा. अच्छा ये है और ये है बट इनका आपस में कनेक्शन है ये हमें पता है और आगे
Mm-hmm.
क्या होगा वो भी हमें ऐसा मतलब जिसे कहते हैं क्लासिक पीटीवी शो पाकिस्तान टेलीविजन के जैसे शोज होते थे. कर्जे जहां मेरे लिए तो वैसा है और मुझे मजा आता है इसको देखने में. सुकून से आराम से देखें, स्टोरी प्रोग्रेशन देखें, अदायगी देखें, डायलॉग्स की अदायगी डिलीवरी देखें, स्टोरी का प्रोग्रेशन देखें, आपस के रिश्ते देखें तो मुझे परफॉर्मेंसेज वाइज एक्टर भी एक से एक बड़े. सकीना समो, फैसल रहमान, तजीन हुसैन, आप आपके ये यमुना जैदी, उसामा अली तो अच्छा है. बड़ा बड़ा मतलब मजेदार और आंखों को भला लगने वाला. और मुझे याद आ गया कि सनी जो थी ना वो एक चीज कहती है अक्सर बार बार, थेरेटिकल पॉजेस और टेक्निकल
Yes.
बातें. तो सनी के लिए बहुत कुछ है इसमें देखने के लिए.
Oh, beautiful. I mean, the picturization is very good. The color plays are very nice, very subtle, very nice. So beautiful. So far, so good. So
पॉजेस भी जो
ranking,
लेते हैं वो लोग.
yeah. But these are all trained actors, right? I mean, yeah, so they know exactly how to.
डायरेक्टर का भी कमाल कहिए आप, राइटर का भी कमाल कहिए. तो
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
बड़ा जबरदस्त रहा है.
The
बड़ा अभी तक
story is really
जबरदस्त.
good. I think the
यस.
screenplay is really good.
खास तौर पर जो इस एपिसोड में ट्विस्ट दे दिया ना, मतलब लुक एट इट, वी आर जस्ट इन एपिसोड नंबर 3 जहां तक लोग
Mm-hmm.
ड्रैग करते हैं स्टोरी को और इन्होंने दे दिया, स्टोरी का रुख बता दिया कि आगे क्या होने वाला है. सो या वी
Yep.
वर टॉकिंग अबाउट
So
रेटिंग्स.
yes.
Ratings, yes.
यस सनी, गो अहेड.
Yeah. So I'll start. Oh, definitely, it's an 8.5 for me. I'm loving Yumna Zaidi's performance. The story and screenplay, as we mentioned, is amazing. Of the dramas that are currently on air, this one is definitely a class apart. So do watch it, guys. Whoever is not watching it yet, please watch it.
Mhm. Yeah, I'm gonna give it about a 9 actually because it's amazing. You guys should really watch it. Definitely a must watch.
एंड 8 फॉर मी एज वेल. मतलब 8.5 भी दे सकता था बट ऐसे मेरा मूड है 8 नंबर देने का. तो 8 फॉर मी. एंड it's highly recommended guys. If you guys are not watching it, you should watch it. This is how Pakistani dramas are, the way we are. जिस तरह हम वो नहीं है जो दुदुन वो जो बनाने की कोशिश की जा रही है. याद आ गया मुझे एक चीज के देखिए ये लोग भी अमीर हैं, ठीक है, ये गरीब नहीं है, दिखाया एलीट क्लास है. क्योंकि आप इससे रिलेट कर सकते हैं कि जो गाड़ी वो लड़का चला रहा है, इट्स नॉट लोकल पाकिस्तानी कार, इट्स बेसिकली इंपोर्टेड कार. पाकिस्तान में जो यूएस से इंपोर्टेड की जाते हैं उनकी जो ड्राइविंग साइड होती है वो भी यूएस की अलग है, पाकिस्तान की अलग है. सो आई वाज नोटिसिंग दीज स्मॉल थिंग्स, डिटेल थिंग्स, एंड दे आर फिल्थी रिच एज वेल. लेकिन इसमें अमीर लड़के को दिखाने के लिए उन्होंने वो सुन मेरे दिल वाली हरकतें नहीं की हैं कि घर और लेविश सेट और अजीब व गरीब किस्म का 3 कोर्स मील दिखा रहे हैं. नॉर्मल फैमिली बट दे आर रिच. सो that's how you show this is what a Pakistani drama is. If you guys are not watching it, you should watch it. Highly recommended by Dramalog and Drama Pakistani. So yeah, मेरी
Alrighty.
रेटिंग ये थी.
Okie dokie, guys. So that's it from us for this time. Inshallah, we will be back with another episode of Drama Log. So do subscribe to us, follow us, and we will. And it's a bye from us.
Yeah. See you all soon. Bye bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye everyone.